Disabling automatic restrictions on Snapchat can help you regain full access to your account features. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to privacy controls. Scroll down to find the privacy section. Here, you will see various options related to your account's privacy settings. Step 4. Adjust restrictions. Look for options related to Who Can and Contact Me. Change these settings to allow more interactions and reduce restrictions based on your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Snapchat account. Enjoy using the app with fewer limitations.